it has not delivered. Tiganja kira mangana housing.
Okay.
Housing. Kuri report ya Auditor General. Igeko tebanga 70% of units ya housing echiaga achirwe. Echiaga achirwe either on community land, or say county government land, yaani chitibwati title deed. A government goes out for a particular period, that's 5 years. A government yise kogenda. A government gocha. Go to serious legal challenges about the ownership yechinyombechi. It is not very clear. Number 2, a kerota gete konyora a unit as a affordable housing. A kerota gete 1 bedroom house. We could deposit 600,000. Onyora go tagite 2-3 bedroom. We could deposit 2 million. Now let me ask you. Ika say itogusi ichinyomba chiaga achwa prison. Will nobody move serekali. Okay, and over ki deposit ya 600,000. You can Google, you can check there. Obolemo chibese jinjisa ini suchugoro obolemo. Okonyore title deed ya ore shuanga obolemo bwao. If another government comes, ika prison. Nga kyokonia a property asobolemo gwe serekali. There are legal gaps and legal challenges chigo jakoba challenged in future. EU is a failure number 1. Number 2 to ira namangana health. To kwa na sha. Wono igu isakosa ukagochiwa ndenya kitari gaiga. The moment uko mentioning sha. Nikitali chinyinge njiri ready ko kole go reward meet. Ichiko kotebinga a government that work na these millions of shillings, so we are not taking this. Even no embalibale batenere tamangana ya health, we security. For example, last time umweshimiwa Duare ekera arenge gochi wa parliament about the amangana ya sha igatete ngobo ibimboro agatebanga abantu bawo netikinyagitari bakoibe kibese nabo bakumurwani. More specifically, agateba na Anthony Kibagende nabo atinyagitari. I know Anthony Kibagende tabo atinyagitari.
True.
So Duara kungaineli before banainjinga Kibagende nabo atinyagita. Ekero musiasa kungaino on such a thing. It means there is a lot wakoroki babisete. Tuira namangana chisemi. Chisemi chisukuru chinyinge ngwara one of the newspapers today, national newspapers today, wakwana about school fees scandal. Chiskuru chinyinge chigo has a lot of levies besides the school fees. Abande ba mentire school fees almost double. Almost yes education last year na ateneta agatebanga a student mwanafunzi wanabuensi okolera matema form 4 agende sukuru oye certificate yae whether nabo ate balance usitabu ate balance. Let me tell you, itigo girls students ba kolete KCSE 2024 sorry, about 72 ba renew certificate because of school fees arrears. Ekera weke sukuru teriko ganda beyond the gateman gigia koletaga a certificate no create o communicate to office yose oseliwo. So ekero muwaziri ako make these pronouncements from office, from functions nko korale follow up make sure ngebinte bingo korbire go happen bire. There is a lot of problems parents bakogenda through. One of the schools ekoro Mangu school eba mente school school fees almost double. Bakamana ko introduce another church ekoro excellency something excellent 15,000 per term. Ekara bible ba chaka o complain a principle yaba very clear. If you can't afford, just leave. Kenda no mwano. This is what parents are going through outside here. So those are the 3 things here in this government they go perform, they perform. However, ekarabago tenena go kwanira bananchi. Ebago kwaninchira paka kwaranga, they are so caring, problem just bingo was solved there, but after that there is nothing. Yani umuraiya gote ninotebanga watoto wetu tutawashughulikia, watasoma bila shida. Umwiburiga wige skuru bambia otebinyo netu kunyara wakana kenda onyore CS education rule directive na school fees tementwa chi principal chama na kurua chamenta uskuli newspaper ya lero chi principal charu chamenta. What does that tell you? There is no follow up as a directive kuruwa na ande mbasigeti umo CS education. Why? Because you know vishay saransit that could make a follow up. Na ko example yitivo girls, I have there is example from Nyaburu girls, there is another one in Kisii school. We have a list because abana bango chabari bata tenga to achire school to akoreki to aseli. Ekarato ko make a follow up to the school. Okoburi principal igeko tebinga government yaro tutumira pesa fulani from 2018 up to date. So pesa hiyo ndogo tikachisire. So umusiasa ngale kama itinga pesa njia ndo gutuma. Ingigekogera okungena Bible ngatuma abana bo certificate bago ikorro baseliwe.
Right.